I wanted to talk for a few minutes about the formation of the Massachusetts Governor's AI Strategic Task Force, whose intention is to basically figure out what needs to happen in the state of Massachusetts to bring us back into the forefront of AI. Many don't remember that a lot of the early work in AI happened in Boston at the great institutions that are around here, where many of the early breakthroughs, many of the early understandings and attempts to do things like understand human intelligence, understand natural language processing, and so forth happened here. Then what happened is systematically it got picked up by other places, most notably Silicon Valley, where I spent a lot of my career and time. And the question is, what does it take to kind of leverage the strengths that are natural and available here in the state of Massachusetts as an example, and one of many, in addition to general manufacturing and fisheries and the blue tech industry. Think about life sciences and pharmaceuticals. The Boston area and Massachusetts in general has a huge strength in that area. This is going to be the golden age of breakthroughs in life sciences. I think while AI is talked about a lot, we haven't yet figured out how AI, and this is the opportunity, how can AI accelerate these industries? How can we get to breakthroughs faster? How can we evaluate the effectiveness of new antibodies, new molecules, new therapies faster? How can we design them faster? How can we leverage the technology to speed up the work of the pharma industry? Those are all amazing opportunities where, as an example, Massachusetts is very well positioned because we are at the heart of that industry, and AI is well positioned to deliver a lot of value and acceleration. So exploring, and I'm using that just as an example, exploring the different areas that should be emphasized, that should be invested in, that should be grown, be they in pharma, be they in life sciences, be they in financial services, be they in manufacturing, be they in blue tech, what have you. How can we leverage those strengths, align AI capabilities with them, and create a new economic development program? And I think the governor is thinking correctly. She's thinking also aggressively around how do we build towards a $100 million fund for economic development, specifically targeting the technology of the future, namely AI. So very happy to participate and represent Northeastern University on this strategic AI task force. Very much looking forward to the kickoff meeting, which is happening at the beginning of March, and working very aggressively towards a final report to the governor, hopefully within 3 months of that. So with that, I look forward, and hopefully we'll get to update you on the progress that the task force achieves and many learnings that I'm sure we will hit as we explore all the opportunities for AI and its contributions to the state of Massachusetts.